How to restart OnePlus Mobile without power button. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find System. Then click on Accessibility, which is the first option. Again, click on Accessibility menu. Then make sure you turn on Accessibility menu shortcut. Then go to Settings and turn on Large Buttons. You will find a button appear in bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on Power and your phone will be restarted without clicking on any power button. That's how you restart OnePlus Mobile without power button. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.